Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Pluralsight software development, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy Pluralsight software development, begin by navigating to the Pluralsight website. Sign in using your account credentials. Once logged in, access the library of available courses. Select the software development course that interests you. Click on the course to view its details. Review the course syllabus and objectives to ensure it meets your needs. If the course requires any prerequisites, ensure you have completed them beforehand. Locate the Enroll or Start Course button and click it. Wait for the course material to load. Familiarize yourself with the course layout, including video sections and quizzes. Adjust the video quality settings if needed for optimal viewing. Begin watching the first video and take notes as necessary. Pause the video to review complex topics if required. After completing each video, try the related quizzes to test your understanding. Utilize any supplementary materials provided alongside the course. Continue progressing through the modules at your own pace. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section of the Pluralsight website. Consider joining community forums for additional support and interaction with fellow learners. After completing the course, review your notes and key takeaways. Apply what you've learned to practical scenarios in your work or personal projects. Keep track of your progress through the course dashboard. This will help you stay motivated and organized. After finishing, revisit the course as needed to reinforce your understanding. Explore additional software development courses on Pluralsight to further enhance your skills. Engage with advanced topics to continue your learning journey. With dedication, you'll find significant value in the Pluralsight software development offerings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.